What is the difference between a legal offer and an invitation to treat? Imagine walking into a store and seeing a sign that says $12 for a t-shirt. Or maybe you see an online ad for a new smartphone. Have you ever wondered if these are actual offers or just invitations to make offers? Today, we are going to clarify this common confusion in contract law. A legal offer is a clear and definite proposal made by one person to another, showing a willingness to be bound by specific terms once the other person accepts. For example, if a seller says, "I will sell you this bicycle for $50, that is a legal offer. If you agree and say, "Yes, I will buy it," then a binding contract is formed. The key point is that the offer must be precise and show an intention to create legal obligations immediately upon acceptance. On the other hand, an invitation to treat is not an offer at all. Instead, it is a way of inviting others to make offers. Think about a shop window displaying goods with a price tag. The store is not offering to sell the items at that moment. It is inviting customers to make an offer to buy. The store can then choose whether to accept or reject that offer. Similarly, advertisements, price lists, and goods displayed in a store are usually invitations to treat. They are just ways to attract potential buyers, not offers that the seller is obliged to accept. Another example is an auction. When the auctioneer calls for bids, that is an invitation to treat. Each bid is an offer from a bidder. The auctioneer can accept or reject each bid. The auctioneer's acceptance of the highest bid creates the contract. But until then, the bids are simply offers, not binding agreements. Understanding the difference helps businesses and consumers know when they are legally committed. If a retailer displays a product with a price, they are not obligated to sell it to everyone who offers that price. It is an invitation to make an offer. But if a supplier sends a detailed quotation with specific terms and indicates they are ready to enter into a contract, that can be a legal offer. If the other party accepts, then a binding contract is formed. In summary, a legal offer is a proposal that, when accepted, creates a contract. An invitation to treat is just an invitation for others to make offers. Recognizing this difference is essential for understanding when a business is legally bound and when it is simply inviting negotiations.